guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute staircase build in Heartopia. So I did add the long stairs and then I added flooring here. And then we are just going to add in the railing on it. So we are going to do that first. We're going to get the wooden handrail. You can use any stair to decorate this. Obviously not the curved ones, but we're just going to add the rails here. I don't know why it's so difficult to get it. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, come on. All right, and then we're going to get the fence as well. We're going to get the wooden fence and we're going to place it here. So we are then also going to take another wall. We're going to grab that wall and we're going to place it underneath the stairs right over here. And we will also need some floorings, but let me get a half wall first. And we are going to place it here. And also we are going to color it the same color as the rest. Then we're going to take another low wall from here. We're going to grab that and place it there. Then we will need some floorings. I'll actually get it from the bottom here. And I'm going to place one over here. And another one on top of that. And actually we need one more. We're going to place it. Oops. Can I not press that? I don't know why I can't press it. Oh, there we go. We're going to place that there. All right. Then we are going to need the joinery jar cabinet, and we're going to color it kind of the same color, like so. We're also going to place one on top right here. There we go. Then we are going to grab more half walls here, and we're just going to rotate that, and we're going to place it here. Then we are going to add this door, this one. And we're going to place that there. I'm just going to rotate that, and I'm going to also change the color of it like so. And here I'm just going to decorate, and I'll be right back with the finished results. And here is the finished results. You can obviously decorate it to your liking, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!